If you're looking for an elegant and functional solution to cool and light up your space, I think that this smart ceiling fan is just what you need.
Hey guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this 20-inch low profile ceiling fan for reviewing purposes. So let's open it up and let's see what comes inside. I think that it's a nice option to have installed whatever you need it. Okay, as you can see, because it has this really interesting low profile but simple design, and I think it's going to be perfect. Okay, let's see what else comes inside. Okay, I get the white version. Okay, we get all the screws and everything that we're gonna need to do the installation, the remote control, and this is the proper main unit. Okay, as you can see, you don't have to do any kind of assembly. Just take this space out and install it where you're placing it, which I think that it's really nice. The LEDs, as you can see, are in this side, and I think it's gonna look amazing. Okay, so let's go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it looks. Come on.
The installation process is actually really simple, as the instructions are really clear and it comes with anything that you're gonna need to do this installation. Now for the proper functions, with customizable lighting you can choose from the 3 color temperatures: warm white, neutral white or cool white. Plus, it's dimmable from 10% up to 100% so you can get the perfect lighting for any kind of occasion. Thanks to its high quality DC motor, this fan operates with a whisper quiet under 35 decibels, perfect for bedrooms and light speakers. And with its reversible motor, it's great for both summer and winter use. Its versatile design fits perfectly any kind of indoor space, living rooms, kitchens, bedrooms, and offices, and it's ideal for modern or even traditional decoration.
Okay, as you can see, now it's ready, and I think that it's really nice because with the remote control, you can control each setting really easily. You can change on different temperatures of the light with this button. We can also steplessly change the temperature or dim it up and down, however you want it, which I think that it's great. Okay. Also, we can select of the different 6 speeds that the ceiling fan has, and you can also set it so it goes forward or reverse. You can use it on summer and winter time, which I think that it's good. It also has this night mode with a control wind mode, which I think that's going to be a really nice combination to place it wherever you need it. Okay, so overall I think that it's really nice. As you can see, it was a really easy installation that didn't take that much long, which I think that it's great, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.